There's a lot of misconception out there about refugees. A lot of people don't understand the situation refugees are in. Malawi has laws that restrict refugees from moving outside the camp. And because of that, most refugees just stay in the camp idle without any sort of income to support their families, support themselves. They don't have the chance to reach their full potential. That's why we're targeting refugees. There's what gives them the power to support themselves.
Okay, let's turn this off.
My name is Jacques
Kabongo.
I'm a father of 6 children. I'm in Malawi as a refugee.
You are my Lord, you are my Lord. Remain the same, and you will never change. You are my Lord, you are my Lord.
I believe that Jacques' story should be shared with the world because this is a person who's passionate about giving back to his community. It's important to show the public that even though people have lost hope, there's still a chance for them to move forward. And when they graduate in carpentry, graduate in terrain, graduate in plumbing, they gain a new sense of hope, a new sense of respect in the community.
I lift up my soul to you, my Lord. I lift up my soul.
There is hope kwangu mimi niliona ilinisaidia sana.
We surrender. We surrender. We surrender. We surrender. We surrender all our lives to you.
So that's the story worth telling.